Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to create a stud bolt, M7 stud bolt in SolidWorks, and here we will learn some basic features like extruded boss base, revolve boss base, revolve cut. Then we will see how to use thread tool also. So let's see how to make this simple stud bolt in SolidWorks. Ball stud, the next simple exercise in SolidWorks. Here we will start with this hexagon shape flange. This is 12.5 millimeter the side distance, and how long we need to extrude. Here you will see 3.5 millimeter. Then there is a rod we need to create 20 millimeter long and the diameter 7 millimeter. So here first we need to choose any plane. So here I'll select either front plane, or even if you select extruded boss base, see we comes in front plane. Here we have option polygon. Here keep parameter 6 because hexagon have 6 number of things. Okay, right click. Now click this one and make vertical so that we will get perfect relation. 12.5 millimeter. See, this drawing is fully defined. If I'll exit, it will automatically enable the features extruded boss base. Now here end condition keep blind and 3.5 millimeter. Say yes. Rotate, select back surface, sketch. Now let me choose here circle, and this is 7 millimeter, enter. If I'll exit and I have to choose extruded boss base, end condition blind, and here the length 20 millimeter long. You will see here, say yes. The next thing we will make this ball and this stem. You will see 4.6 millimeter, and this is 3 millimeter from center distance, 5 millimeter the length, and this diameter here you will see 10 millimeter. We need to create with the help of revolve boss base command. Then this corner fillet radius are 0.5. So let me choose your right plane, sketch. Now let me start with, let's start with line. Connect from here to here, comes, don't create any relation. Okay, go back to the point and see, it will automatically convert into arc. Again go back to the point. If not, okay, now let's choose here 3-point arc. I'll select these 2 points. Okay, line, I'll construction line, I'll create a relation, hold shift key, and these 2 lines tangent relation. Maybe this line have some relation with this point. So what we will do, click this point, delete it, again create center line. That's why I'm telling don't create any relation with this lines, tangent, that's fine. Smart dimension, first the distance 4.6, now this one 3 millimeter, that's it. The vertical length 5 millimeter. Okay, now this radius, diameter 10 means radius 5 millimeter, that's perfectly defined. Go to feature, and here you will find one option, revolve boss base. First, clear, you have to choose axis of revolution. So this is our axis of revolution. You will see the preview how it's going to create a revolve solid body. Keep angle 360, blind, end condition blind, say yes. Now look, fillet 0.5, and let me choose these 2 edges, constant size fillet, say yes. Now here the last option, we need to create a thread M7 into 0.1 mm and 13 mm long, and chamfer here 0.5 into 45 mm. That's the simple thing. And here we need to make one cutout also. This is 1.5 millimeter. First let's make cutout, right plane. Now what I will choose, I will select outer edge, convert entity. See, the line is converted. Let me choose here line, draw vertical line, make sure it is vertical. Okay, let's define it. Okay, first we need to connect, that's fine. Then keep relation horizontal 1.5 millimeters. Say yes. Trim entity, here choose power trim and just trim this. This is unnecessary line trim. Now we have one closed geometry. If you go to feature, and here you will find one option, revolve cut. Axis of revolution, I'll choose this one. You will see preview how it's going to cut a shape in body. See. Now let's apply chamfer and then thread. Chamfer, angle distance 0.5 and 45. I'll choose this edge or surface, no matter. Okay, see. Drop down the whole wizard menu and here you will find thread option. 2015 and below version you will not find this option. Thread, say okay. Now first we need to choose edge. I'll choose, this is the edge going to create our thread. Now we need to maintain distance from here to here, so it's 0.5 millimeter. So here we will make 13.5 millimeter. Sorry, this should be okay, that's fine, 13.5 millimeter. Even though from here 12.5 millimeter, because 5 millimeter we will use here. Metric die, M7 into 1 millimeter, cut thread. If I'll say yes, you will see this uneven shape. So again edit. Let's add offset. Keep 2 millimeter reverse direction, but to maintain our length here add 2 millimeter. So 14.3. Sorry, 5. Say yes. So this 13 millimeter length is maintained. So this is our simple bolt stud. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.